5 tips for first-time home buyers. Buying a home for the first time can be an exciting and overwhelming experience. Here are 5 tips to help first-time homebuyers navigate the process and make informed decisions. Determine your budget. Before you start looking at homes, it's important to determine how much you can afford to spend. This includes not just the purchase price, but also ongoing costs such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Use a mortgage calculator to estimate your monthly payments and factor in other expenses to get a realistic sense of what you can afford. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage can help you stand out to sellers and give you a better sense of your budget. This process involves getting a lender's assessment of your creditworthiness and ability to repay a loan, and it can give you a better sense of what interest rates and loan terms you may qualify for. Work with a real estate agent. A good real estate agent can help you find homes that fit your budget and preferences, negotiate with sellers, and guide you through the home buying process. Look for an agent who has experience working with first-time homebuyers and who is familiar with the neighborhoods you're interested in. Consider the location. When buying a home, location is key. Consider factors such as proximity to schools, work, shopping, and public transportation. Also think about the neighborhood's safety, amenities, and future development plans. Don't rush the process. Buying a home is a big decision, so take your time and don't rush into anything. Make sure you're comfortable with the home's condition and that you understand all the costs involved. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek the advice of professionals, such as home inspectors, real estate attorneys, and financial advisors. At Alaska Sunny Properties, we are here to serve you. We sell landed properties, houses, and manage your projects for you. Contact us today on WhatsApp 08068137431. Call 07066820267. Subscribe on our channel for more.